Alright, what's up guys? Today's video is kind of wild. We found a house and everything is left in this house. It's kind of crazy. I don't know anything about it. There's really no backstory. It's just kind of a house that I came across while going to another place. So it's pretty unique. It's actually deceiving. So on the outside of the house, it does not look big at all. But once you go inside the house, there's hallway after hallway and just rooms for days. But you guys are gonna see that in today's video. And without further ado, and that's enough talking, here's the video. Oh shit. Oh no, dude. That makes me nervous. I think an animal does live in that. Ow, fuck. There's so much stuff thrown out here. It is always a bit of a sketch. Dude, this place is a wreck. This is like a little outside building area that they made into a room. Sometimes I feel like I should wear a mask.
Probably. This roof looks like it's about to collapse.
Yeah. It's just kind of crazy. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. Ow. There's a mouse living in this one.
Really?
Yeah. What the hell? I need to spit on the drawer system. This game controller here. Some cards. This is so weird. There's an attic access.
These floors are weak as hell.
I know. This is crazy.
There's some animals in this bitch.
This is kind of weird right here. Oh, there's a doorway. I'm gonna go through the door on the other side. This is where they keep their canned foods. I don't know what's spilt in there. It looks like a mouse decomposed. Look, they left a minion.
What is it?
That's a minion. Oh, there's clothes still hung up. Who is that? Miranda.
It's the same person everywhere.
Is this Miranda Patterson, age 15 years old, height 5'8", weight 120. Did she disappear?
Maybe.
I think this is a flyer for somebody who disappeared, man.
That's what it looks like.
That's sad.
There's pictures everywhere.
I know. It looks like something they would post like on telephone poles. That's crazy. Oh my god.
That is creepy, man.
That's wild. Dude, this house gets even bigger. There's more rooms back here.
You gonna go?
Yeah, I am. Because they got wallpaper.
What?
Yeah, they got wallpaper on the wall up there. They usually do that. It's ancient. Wonder if it'd turn on. Oh my god. If anybody watches this video on my channel, you guys need to leave a comment if you know anything about it.
Dude, this is crazy.
Yeah, dude, there's so much stuff, man.
So much.
It's kind of weird how they would just leave all of the stuff behind like that. And it ends up being thrown down like this because of people. God, dude, there's more rooms. Oh, that's a guarantee. Look at this room. The floor, the roof. It really is. I was not expecting this house to be this big. Look, there's more hallways. It's like a maze in here. This is insane, man. It has a desk in it, though. There's another one. This is cool. Dude, like, look at how much stuff is in here, though. We got briefcases. What is this? Oh, it's a game. I'm not gonna walk up there because it is falling down. Dude, this was a bedroom.
Really?
Yeah. And it's got a weird little room that's hidden.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, somebody cut through the plywood to see it.
Where?
Right there.
That's a room?
Yeah, they just didn't put flooring down in it. They put drywall in it. Or not drywall, but wallpaper.
What the fuck?
This is as high as I'm gonna go. They really did. They had a bed up here.
Dude, this is fucking cool.
Hey, here's the newspaper.
I've only been to a few places like this.
You know where the date would be on the newspaper?
Saturday. Probably to the top. Yeah. July 20th, 1990.
Oh my God. That's insane, man. 1990. I was born in 96.
Same.
I don't know. Dude,
What
what?
a cat.
It's a bear. This closet's huge. I ain't even gonna lie. Look how tall it is, man.
Oh, that fucking stinks. Oh god.
It does.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is dripping down?
I don't want to find out, man.
Me familiar.
This place is crazy, dude. This is another bedroom. There's
Look at a plasma TV in there.
a baby photo right here. I wonder what the oldest newspaper in this home is like.
It seems like they connected a house to this.
Yeah, like there's two houses.
It's huge, man.
It really is.
Look at that.
An outline of a hanger. It's another closet with hung up clothes.
It smells just about like what I thought it would. It smells just like it.
Smells like old. Hey, there's a dream catcher. Wait, is that a dream catcher?
I think so.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what they're on.
This is crazy.
Look at them breathing in mold.
I don't know what that is. They got newspapers lining the floor of that drawer.
It's weird.
Smoke. Oh.
Smoke weed. So this is the main kitchen here.
Look at the freaking bulbs in this TV, dude.
It looks like a duplex because the other side is a kitchen too.
They have kitchen equipment like still underneath the sink and stuff. Any Christmas cookies?
Nothing.
Dang. The excitement was real.
Got a bike tire in here.
Oh, really? Wonder if it fit my bike. Oof. That is one old coffee maker. I really think they extended onto a house like 3 times.
Look at this old ass garage opener.
What is that? Hey, so in that other house I went to, we opened up the fridge, had old food.
Oh, no.
Dude, look in that. It's filled to the top.
With food?
With mud or food or something. Here, take my phone light.
What the fuck is that?
This was for chickens. That's what this was for. That thing was made for chickens. All right. Heard something in the weeds and it scared me.
Jacuzzi.
That's awesome, dude. I bet this house back in the day was really nice on the inside. The liner is so messed up in the pool. See, there's even a hole over here. This is crazy. Ugh.
It's a weird little entrance. I'm guessing that was a gate over there.
Yeah, I think it was. I'm just not walking through all those briars. That hurts. This house is really dark though. It's a hard life.
Like, it doesn't look this big. You wouldn't think it was this big.
I didn't think it was this massive at all, dude. Like, this whole area just wraps around.
I feel like there's more hallways back there. What the fuck, really?
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
They'll let us snatch you.
Oh, dude, this thing's spinning in the ceiling.
What? What's spinning?
It's a little creepy up here. This thing, here, look up here. It's one of those little.
This gonna hold both of us?
Fuck, there's a door here.
This gonna hold both of us?
Yeah, it should. That thing up there.
What the fuck?
You hear it squeaking?
Where's the door?
Right there.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
I don't know what's in it. I'm not going in it.
Jesus.
I don't trust the roof nor the floor in this place.
I thought it was a balloon.
What the fuck? Happy birthday.
We got a Christmas tree. A white one. Dude, like, just imagine this space.
I wonder what it was used for, to be honest.
I think it was like a duplex, honestly. Because there's 2 kitchens. There's like this kitchen over here, and then the other side, there's another kitchen over there.
Oh yeah, there is 2 kitchens.
So I don't really know. It looks like it's set up like it was a duplex or something.
Yeah, this wall that's tore down, I bet that was the divider.
Pets.
This place is super cool, man.
God, this one is fun.
Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. If you like it, as always, drop a like and subscribe. Always leave a comment if you guys have any suggestions on places to go or you have any critiquing info. That's it. Until next video, guys.